person to ask about it because I was just too young to remember. I mean, look, I'm not the only kid on the island. Dad was, eaten. Still, it had to be traumatic. No, not for me. Not for me. What's your dream? To go, away.
To go away. That's great.
Do you guys want to drink?
I don't want to.
When is this not happening?
What? Don't make that noise.
I react to the sound.
Do you guys want to?
Right, responsibility in life.
This is unique. This is not hard. So,
When is
don't make that noise.
React to the hitting sound.
To go away. That's great.
To run away.
I don't want to.
Responsibility in life.
This is unique. This is not norm. So, don't make that noise.
I react to the sound.
Do you guys want to drink?
To run away.
I don't want to drink.
Responsibility in life.
This is unique. This is not norm. So,
My reaction to the sound.